hala tuma pan stamen nangli respect ke pia bang ke nangso stamen non bang ke nangli la bang so a visual ke bunai ke create pe na job nangli kwan si ke thek ma kwan si ke me ma kwan si ke charli kwan a talent ke do ma nangli kwan ang deng si ke le ma la so visual pen si nangli klang dak kar biang lo ra da tum ke nangli pan chini tak la penan par stame nangli ke chipu bange nangli inut stame media long kami klaim tentang abangphu pusi chipu nangli ke klaim dun nili ke heglong ante nglote nangli content long chitu ke pakla bangke ajir khabar ko lo bangke nili tum langdam pulote nangli tame non ma chelang stame chok sala bangso birta phan nili ki puji pu bangke ajir khabar bo birta ke langdam pulote borpung tarapung net ka ve jo habida jo ki record da news pa lima thada athe subscriber masi 1.99 ke subscriber masi ave news content lang lo pulote ningkan isiang bong zero viewers ke long da do da viewers ve masi ave la puson da do bangli bangpo 1k news isibat news ke paklang si 1k ke plan link puta theglong le nasi nangli bangphal la puson putot tera nangli methan ke thek putha jongsi nangli phan langi puduna bangphu job chidet pulote nangli hala phan contact pe nangli hala phan ke than ji phan le body no la lo pulote nangli phan da message stame non nangli bangke Karbi Anglong a media to phan ke challenge ason si do ko asila pusona bangke nangli kininje tame chokchi deta thek ma pusini li matha basi lapen dula nangli degree ko pipine ke paklang ta ho lapen ke Karbi Anglong a media tungke ningkan kep nilong nang chari duna halang ta ho la pusona nangli stame kininje do stame nangli penan par media long ke claim bari matum do hala tum ta non media hin doctorate claim bo mat kichari bo matum da do nangli pen ansu se ke thega tum stame do sin nangli family nangi puji pu bange nangli atok do joy pen Karbi Anglong arlo alam situation na kutha ani siba ke paklang do ma ave nili theglong le nangli content lo basi lama bange ningji pami nangji bang sinili puda athe non langdam pulo nangli ke thek si ke cheparokal ni lan degree do hola wo ke ko da ka son ke pati po pulo de ko da pir thia dang ba thang plup po ati ke pati ke sibeji ipum beji ka son thaplo nangli ma non ke thek long ni ke lapen nangli phan bang ke non Karbi Anglong media tum stame lapen Karbi Anglong rada tum stame nangli phan aning nangli dok de son sinili tum theglong basi nangli abang nili ki puji pu bangke kedam tang lam lo stame komat pensi nangli ke chepoma hala phan pu vedno Karbi Anglong arlo ke do an journalist a media tum phan thang alam ave pin pen ni thom pliang bo nangli dia cho hang vek nangji pusinili tum pen nangli phan jong polo si jong si nangli tum nangli labangso Karbi Content mate Ranveer Hanse nangli jong si Karbi Anglong media tum phan dia cho hang contact thi pulote nili tum kapregang deng stame nangli puthak deng na kopo si bili kiningje padimo elo puthot nangli phan ru chulo nangli Karbi Anglong media tum han dia cho hang yo Johang he pulote nang puthara ko nili tum kapreka ang deng stame nili tum claim na ko asi nang li munthi pa me pen dia johang ko pusi nili tum hin pen nang li pha ning thelo si non secretary nili tum Karbi Anglong digital news forum secretary ta me dola alang li pen stame ethithini nang li puthak ni pani je sina
लाख kali mau dikatkan Misalang ini ta ini ting pula. Thank you, President, for giving me this time to speak. Recently, we have seen one video that is going viral on social media, and in that social media viral video, we have seen some objectionable comment made by one particular individual called Ranbir Hanse. He has a podcast channel. I believe it's called Karbi Content. In that podcast, he made some objectionable comment on the media fraternity doing their service in Karbi Anglong. Through this press briefing, we just want to convey our grievances. Our grievances is relating with his comment that he had made in that particular video, where he said that he doesn't care about the reporters living in Karbi Anglong, those who are doing their duties or jobs in Karbi Anglong. He has no respect, he has no regard. He said like that. So this disrespectful attitude of that particular individual, I just want to remind him that many of us who are here are senior enough. We are into this profession for more than, some of us are more than 15 years, 20 years. So I just want to remind him that we are senior enough and we have experienced a lot in this few journey of ours. I just want to remind Mr. Hanse that before spelling out on the media fraternity based in Karbi Anglong, I just want to let him know, I want to remind him to please understand or please read or go through the history of journalism in Karbi Anglong in particular. We are still in a nascent stage. We are in an early stage. We are in a learning process. We are still a far way to go. We know our limitation. We know our limitation. We know where we have, sometimes we face a lot of obstacles while imparting our duties. We travel far and wide of this land to cover for a news. We travel a lot, we experience a lot, and you will never know about what we have gone through in all of these years. Our pain, our struggles that we have given for this profession, you will never know. That's why you have disrespected us, which we take it as an offense, because no matter what you claim to be about yourself, you may be a great person, you may be a highly qualified person, you may be very good in speaking, you may be a very good content creator. We respect that. We respect your professionalism, the way you are doing it right now. We respect that. We sometimes follow your content also on social media. We tend to believe that some of the contents you bring out is really very relevant, very pertinent. It's very educative for all of us. We enjoy watching that. But we never thought that you will reduce yourself to such a level that make us believe that you are actually what you are not. You are supposed to be the torch bearer. The way you speak, the way your qualifications is all about. You are supposed to lead us. You are supposed to speak on behalf of us. When we have limitations, when we have shortages, you are supposed to help us out, to speak on our behalf. Like our president has said, for a community like us, we have few learned people, those who run after knowledge or wisdom. We have shortage of that. And I find in you that ray of hope that you will provide something meaningful to the Karbi community as a whole and to the journalistic fraternity in particular. But what we have seen in your recent video is really, really disheartening. It's defamatory. It is unfit for a person who created a very knowledgeable content, and he speaks in such a language which berate all the journalist fraternity. Though we may be very illiterate, some of us are maybe class 8 pass or 9 pass or 10 pass or higher secondary pass, there may be many. But where do you see? You just go across Press Council of India, their rules or guidelines or whatever, or the government guidelines or whatever. If there is any qualifications required for to become a journalist, there is no such thing. There is no guideline that to become an engineer you have to become a BE or BTech, something like that. In a journalism field, in a journalistic field, we don't have such kind of degree requirement. Where do you see? This is what I want to ask you. Where do you see that to become a journalist you have to have a particular a degree, mass communication or journalism course? Where do you see all this? How can you comment such a thing which is not there? It's really, really laughable and ridiculous. And you talked about commerce. How can a commerce person be a journalist? Ranbir, this is what I would like to remind you, that have you followed the CNBC, the business news, all those people? Most of you will find that they are not from the media professions. They are either from MBA or they will be people graduated from some business school. But they are doing the business journalism and all. So please go through this, what I would like to suggest. And if you have any problem with us, then you can reach us. We have a digital forum here in Karbi, or there is press club here in Karbi. You can communicate with us. If you have found any limitations with us, you can discuss with us. But please, I would like to request you that don't berate the people, those who are working day and night, just for a piece of news. This is what I would like to request you. Don't berate.